It's so boring.
It's us again, me, Fatini,
And I, Fatimah.
welcome to our channel! Today's video will be focusing on pop-up card. Shower people around you with love by making handmade, but you are too lazy to buy a gorgeous card with a bouquet of flowers and a big teddy bear, and you don't have time for that?
Don't worry, you are at the right time and at the right place.
This video is perfect for you because it will teach you how to make a cute, simple, and easy cards.
All what you need just cardstock, colored paper, glue, scissor, and ruler.
Why buy typical greeting card if you can make your own, right? So get your material needed and let's start!
First of all, start folding the cardstock to create a card base. Folding this. After that, cut a colored paper with the same size with your card base, just like this. We use black paper, and the important thing is make lines. Make a small lines at the folder part, like this, and cut it. And it will be like this. So next it will be like this. Next, glue it inside the card, your card base. This one. So it will be like this. You gum it. Meanwhile, you must cut out a heart shape and glue it on the front part of your card, right? And glue it. In the same way, cut out some heart shapes in different size, just like this. Different size. The heart shapes onto the pop-up stand to other parts of the card. This one. And it will be like this. In addition, you can cut the square shape, like this, and write something precious to give to your partner. Card.
A few moments later, a few inches later, 2 hours later, 1 eternity.
The card is done and ready to give to your partner.
That's all from us. See you again. Bye!